Back on the previous topic, or the same topic, regarding this initial phase, how to define the problem, of course, search for solution. We're calling this phase usually a discovery phase. And if you allow me to make a joke with the famous Apple slogan, there is no AI for this yet.
Yeah. Analytics and people with very good analytical skills can provide a very good definition of the problem.
Yeah.
Like dig deeper and find where is the problem.
And then one thing is defining the problem, but then something that I completely think it is very linked to that is what is the desired outcome. We have a problem, but what do we want to see as an outcome? Do we want to see, as you said, something to be counted, or do we want to have just a summary of a problem defined by the user?
Every project should add some value after this. If you are adding value, this is a good project. If you're not able to follow value,
Waste of money, waste of time.
Can AI actually learn and optimize itself?
training models is actually very expensive task. So, there is a lot of pre-trained models which are actually accessible and can be used for any solution. Not any, but some solutions. Pre-trained models are actually the current basis, maybe. After that, you need an expertise in the customer domain or in the solution domain that is actually make sense and producing value. This is the important task. How we'll combine all that we have, the pre-trained models, our data, and our business processes maybe to make them more efficient, more useful, or just creating some additional value.
We can create automation of some processes using this technology and what you of course just explained.
Even we have some automation at the moment. Actually, AI can make it better or can make it more efficient. This is another field of possible improvements.
I'm a CEO of a small company and think about implementing an AI solution. What would be the first thing I should do? Contacting the right partner, searching first about the right solution, or what do you think? What's the first thing I should do? Because everybody speaks about AI. So
Talk to somebody who is familiar with this topic, somebody who has experience, who already is familiar with the technology, who has experience with other customers. And if you find a fair partner, trusted partner, with whom you can speak to, I think it's the first step. Just talk to somebody to understand, do you have really problem? Is your problem AI relevant? Could be solved with AI? Or maybe there is other solutions available on the market. So find a trusted partner and talk to him.
And if you have a trusted partner, long-term established relationship, it is better to discuss your problems with such a partner than seeking the best in AI field, because there is no best in AI field at the moment.
And you mentioned there are multiple systems that will need actually to be integrated in a way in the solution. You have different data sources, so all that needs to be very well thought.
Partner
process.
Who knows your problems, who knows your systems, who knows your business, is better than seeking for another better one.
That AI genius.
Yeah.